Not only is this home adorable, but it has no HOA and no rental restrictions. Come with me and take a tour.
Down on First Street where the palm trees sway, there's a little slice of heaven just a cast away. 2 beds, 1.5 suite retreat by the sea, with a balcony view where the dolphins run free. No HOA, no strings to tie. You can live it, rent it, or just swing by. Steps from the shore where the tide rolls slow. This is old Florida and it's got soul. Welcome home to Cedar Key, where the breeze is warm and the life comes easy. Tile below and plank above, butcher block kitchen built with love. Fish in the morning, walk at night, dinner on Dock Street feels just right. Your island life begins today at 5111 the Cedar Key Way.